Have you ever noticed that when the Nasdaq moves sharply, Bitcoin often seems to move with it? That's not just a coincidence. There's a deeper connection between these two markets, and understanding it could help you make sense of Bitcoin's price movements. First, what connects them? The Nasdaq is heavily weighted toward technology and growth companies. Bitcoin, meanwhile, is a digital asset that investors often treat as a high-risk, high-growth investment. When investors feel confident, money tends to flow toward riskier assets. When fear takes over, investors often move toward safer positions. Interest rates matter. When the Federal Reserve keeps interest rates high, borrowing becomes more expensive and financial conditions can tighten. That can pressure growth stocks on the Nasdaq, and Bitcoin can also come under pressure. But when expectations change, if investors start expecting lower interest rates, financial conditions can become more favorable. Technology stocks may benefit, and Bitcoin can also attract more demand. The surprising part: Bitcoin doesn't need to follow the Nasdaq every single day. Sometimes Bitcoin moves independently because of crypto-specific factors, such as ETF flows, regulation, institutional demand, or major developments in the crypto market. So what should investors watch? Don't just watch the Bitcoin chart. Keep an eye on Nasdaq performance, Federal Reserve interest rate expectations, U.S. Treasury yields, inflation data, Bitcoin ETF flows, overall market risk sentiment. Bottom line: the Nasdaq and Bitcoin are not the same investment, but they can respond to the same economic forces.
Finding a reliable sell
The hidden
agency
connection
can be
is
tough.
often liquidity,
Updated with the
interest
latest
rates,
SEO
and investor
fifth
risk
expert
appetite.
team of professionals.
If you want to
Every expert
understand where
adds unique
Bitcoin could be
value.
heading next,
6.
watching the broader
Continuous
U.S.
monitoring or support.
financial market may give
No
you an
false
important piece of the
promises,
puzzle.
just achievable goals.
Remember,
9.
markets
Balance
can move
reporting.
unpredictably.
You always know what's happening.
This video is
10.
for educational
Flexibility
purposes only and is not
adaptability.
financial
They evolve
advice.
with trends. 2.